itself from colonial rule in 1960, its future seemed bright. It was peaceful and stable, had free and fair elections, and its geographical position in the world was commercially important. But when Siad Barre's 22-year dictatorship ended in 1991, the country was plunged into an interminable civil war. A UN peacekeeping force called AMISOM was deployed, but it was accused of abusing its powers, and its reputation plummeted. The presence of foreign forces was a problem for many Somalis, and the constant conflict also badly affected the economy.
Example cabbage iyo tamaandhada. Anako imika intan halkan ka hore mid